Hi guys, today we're going to cover 3 handy tricks you might not know your iPhone can do. We're going to start with a bedside clock. When your iPhone is plugged into a charger and turned on its side, it will become a bedside clock. If you're running iOS 17 or later, your phone's standby mode lets it display the time in big, easy-to-read numbers. Here's how to set it up. Start by going to Settings, then tap Standby, and then make sure the green Standby button is turned on. Standby will turn on when iPhone is placed on its side and charging. Then tap Display. Decide whether you want it to start automatically after 20 seconds or never. When set to automatically, the display will intelligently turn off when iPhone is not in use and the room is dark. You can also toggle on night mode. Standby displays with a red tint in low ambient lighting. So once again, you go to Settings, tap Standby, turn Standby on, and you can also scroll down to night mode. It will become a bedside clock with a red tint at night. Did you know iPhone gives you many ways to adjust your text size? Let's go through a few of them. Let's start by going to Settings, Display and Brightness, and then tap Text Size. And then adjust the text size by using the slider at the bottom of the screen. You can slide it back and forth to see the different sizes. When you're happy with it, you can click on Back. You can also toggle on bold. That makes it easier to read too. While you're on this page, scroll down to Display Zoom, and there's other options to make your screen easier to read. Larger text shows larger controls. Default shows more content. So you can choose either larger text or the default view. When you've made your choice, click Done. Now we'll look at changing your text size from the Control Center. Scroll down from the top of your screen and scroll until you find Text Size. It's the 2 A's next to each other. The default is 100%, but you can scroll up or down and change your text size. If you don't see that in your Control Center, watch my video on how to customize your Control Center. I'll link to it at the top of the page. Next, we'll tap and hold on your home screen background until your apps start to jiggle. Then we'll tap Customize. You can make your screen appear smaller or larger. If you choose large, it takes away the names of your apps. But if you know what they are, that's okay. So choose what works best for you there. When you're ready, just tap on the home screen again. So there's 4 ways to increase your screen size. You can go to Settings, Display and Brightness, and then Text Size. Use the slider bar. You can also tap Display Zoom, go to the Control Center and use the Text Size slider, or tap the home screen background and customize your screen size. Did you know you can see what's using all your battery? This feature helps you understand which apps or activities are draining your battery the most. Here's how to check it. Go to Settings, and then scroll to Battery, and then scroll down and look at either the last 24 hours or the last 10 days. You can toggle between the two to see what's using the most of your battery. You can also click Show Activity. It'll toggle between showing you the percentage of your battery being used and the actual time your battery's being used. This will help you to see what apps might be running in the background and taking battery life. As you can see here, Photos has been running in the background. Scroll down and see what apps are taking the most battery life on your phone. Next, we'll go see how to turn off some of those apps that are running in the background. So now tap Settings and we'll go back. We're going to tap General and scroll to Background App Refresh. This allows apps to refresh their content when on Wi-Fi or cellular in the background. Turning off apps may help preserve battery life. So scroll through and see what you can turn off to help save some of your battery, especially if it's something that's running in the background. You might not even be aware of it. You have the option of turning off background app refresh, using Wi-Fi, or using Wi-Fi and cellular. So again, go to Settings, Battery, toggle between 24 hours and 10 days, and check out what's taking the most of your battery. Click Show Activity to see if an app is running in the background. You can make adjustments by going to Background App Refresh. That's it for today's tips. Thanks for being here. Please like and subscribe, and if there's something I can help you with, leave it in the comments. See you next time.